Emily from Homemade Emily Jane. Today I'm going to tell you about a fast, fun, and easy quilt pattern called the Solitaire Quilt Pattern. The Solitaire quilt is shown behind me, but the pattern actually includes 5 different sizes, all the way from baby to bed size. This quilt pattern features 8 at a time half square triangles, and I actually have another video showing a tutorial of how to use that method in case you've never tried it before. The pattern is completely beginner friendly and perfect for pre-cuts as well. So if you have a fat quarter bundle or maybe a layer cake or 10-inch squares laying around, this pattern is perfect for that. Another really neat thing about the Solitaire Quilt Pattern is in addition to the regular cutting instructions, there's also an extra page that includes AccuQuilt-friendly quilt pattern instructions. So you can make this quilt using an AccuQuilt cutting machine or a similar die cut machine for fabric. It includes a page at the end of the pattern that shows how to cut the fabric and which dies are recommended, as well as slightly adjusted fabric requirements that account for the fact that you'll be cutting it slightly differently. If you're new to AccuQuilt, this is a really great project to get started on. Check out some of these awesome versions of the Solitaire quilt and let me know in the comments below which one's your favorite. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you love the Solitaire Quilt Pattern as much as I do. Be sure to check out the description below to find a link to grab the pattern for yourself.